Dear students, good afternoon to all. Hope you all are fine. Today's our offline class is about factors affecting Hardy-Weinberg principle. Following five factors are known to affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Therefore, if any of the following phenomena occurs, change in frequency of alleles takes place that may result in the evolution. These five factors include gene migration or gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination, natural selection. Now let's take these one by one. Number first, migration or gene migration. Migration, defined in genetic terms as the movement of individuals from one population into another, can be a powerful force in upsetting the genetic stability of natural populations. The phenomenon of movement of alleles from one population to another is called gene migration. It can either occur by number A, migration of a section of population from one area to another, or by number B, interbreeding between members of two populations, resulting in interchange of alleles. If the characteristics of the newly arrived animal differ from those already there, the genetic composition of the receiving population may be altered. If the newly arrived individual or individuals can adapt to survive in the new area and mate successfully. Gene pool, a total collection of all genes and its allele in a population, is called gene pool. Thus, gene pool will have all genotypes, that is, genes of the organisms. Gene flow, if genes are exchanged between two different populations of a species, it is gene flow. Number second factor of Hardy-Weinberg principle, genetic drift, Sewall-Wright effect, non-directional factor. Natural selection is not the only force responsible to bring about changes in gene frequencies. There is the role of chance or genetic drift also. Genetic drift causes a change in gene frequency by chance in a small population. In a small population, the individual alleles of a gene are represented by a few individuals in a population. These alleles will be lost if these individuals fail to reproduce. Allele frequencies appear to change randomly as if the frequencies were drifting. Thus, a random loss of alleles in small population is genetic drift. A series of small populations that are isolated from one another may come to differ strongly as a result of genetic drift. Genetic drift has two ramifications which are described below. Number A, bottleneck effect. It is the decrease in genetic variability in a population. For example, cheetah population in Africa decreased due to hunting. Their decreased numbers have limited cheetah's genetic variability with serious consequences. The present cheetah population is susceptible to a number of fatal diseases. If any of these diseases attacks the cheetah population, the path of extinction of cheetah cannot be reversed. Number B, founder's effect. When one or a few individuals are dispersed and become the founders of a new isolated population at some distance from their place of origin, the alleles that they carry are of special significance. Even if these alleles are rare in the source population, they will be a significant fraction of the new population's genetic endowment. This effect, by which rare alleles and combinations of alleles may be enhanced in new populations, is called the founder's effect. The founder's effect is particularly important in the evolution of organisms on islands such as Galapagos Islands, which Darwin visited. Most of the kinds of organisms that occur in such areas were probably derived from one or a few initial founders. Fixation of new mutations. Genetic, genetic drift fixes new alleles, genes, new alleles, genes that arise by mutation from time to time and eliminate the original gene, thereby changing the genetic makeup of small population. This is all about today's offline class. Thanks.